मनोहर आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळ आणि जुवारी पूल सारखिल्ल्या प्रकल्पांखातीर गोंयांतली महामार्ग वेवस्था अदीक घटमूट जाल्या। गोंय फक्त एक मुखेल पर्यटन थळ म्हणून न्हय तर लॉजिस्टिक्स, वैजकी आणि वेलनेस पर्यटनाचे केंद्र करपाचे आपलो यत्न आसा अशें मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंतान सांगले। बेतूल वाठारांतल्या ONGCत जाल्ल्या जागतीक परिशदेंत मुख्यमंत्री उलयलो।
The projects such as the Manohar International Airport at Mopa, the Zuari Bridge, the improved highway connectivity and port-linked development are creating the new economic opportunities. We are looking to the position Goa as not only as a tourism destination but also as the logistic hub and knowledge-based service economy and medical and wellness tourism center. However, infrastructure growth brings the responsibility. As the industrial and logistic activity increases, safety standards must rise simultaneously. Our goal is not merely attract the industry, our goal is to ensure a responsible industry. Through the training, skill programs and collaboration between the government, academia and industry, we are encouraging the culture where the productivity and production go together. We are also strengthening the healthcare access and preventive healthcare awareness. Super specialty healthcare facilities, insurance coverage expansion and wellness initiatives are the part of our broader understanding that the health workforce drives the healthy economy.